Welcome to Myprojectbazaar.com. Here we are going to discuss about our project Illumination-Invariant Background Subtraction, Comparative Reviews, Models and Prospects. Now we are going to discuss about abstract of our project. Video surveillance has long been used to monitor the security sensitive areas such as banks, highways, crowded public places and borders. It is necessary for the surveillance technique to improve identifying moving objects in a critical task for many computer applications. A common approach used to achieve motion detection is background subtraction. The system provides a comprehensive review with special attention to schemes related to handling varying illuminations frequently occurring in the outdoor surveillance scenario. In that system, mixture of Gaussian background subtraction algorithm is used for background subtraction, and the estimated results are evaluated by using the databases in order to extract the illumination invariant background. A surveillance system is now possible to monitor and control the environment to the advantage of the owners of the property. And this is the flow diagram of our project. For the input, we select a video file which is going to be background subtracted. After that, the input video is read and pre-processed. Then the frames are extracted from the video and saved as an images in a folder for the processes. After that, using the IIBS methodologies, which is Illumination-Invariant Background Subtraction methodologies for the background subtraction. The IIBS methodologies is classified into computational approaches and biologically inspired approaches. The computational approaches is first classified into 6 models that are mixture of Gaussian based models, pixel replacement based models, codebook model, low rank models, illumination invariant feature models and neural network models. And the biologically inspired approach is classified into CS hypothesis model, that is a centered surrounded hypothesis model, and frequency filtering model. Let's see the emoji based models, mixture of Gaussian based models. In general, mixture of Gaussian based methods extract the moving objects from the background with a high recall rate. They are vulnerable to the short-term change by varying the illuminations, which yields quite a large amount of falsely detected pixels. This is because the learning rate is not adaptive to the change of a background. Next, the pixel replacement based models. These methods conduct a sampling based on a set of pixels stored during a specific time period and update the background models with the most similar pixels by the replacement. They are quite robust to the abrupt change of illumination invariant lighting conditions. Codebook based models. Since the codebook which represents the background model has several code words, in general it is defined at the beginning part of a given video frame with initial frames. The low rank based models which attempt to decompose a given frame into the low rank background models, and the illumination invariant feature based models in this feature based algorithm to be adaptively applied according to the resources of the target systems. For the neural network, the subtraction procedure itself is formulated as a training of a given network with the convolutional operator. And the biologically inspired approach, which is divided into 2 types, the CS hypothesis model and frequency filtering model. The centered surrounded hypothesis based models, which methods focuses on the contrast defined by computing the difference of features between the center and its surrounding regions to discriminate the moving objects from background. And the filtering based models are conceptually simple and easy to implement. The processing speed is also very fast due to the global filtering based on F50 in the spectral domain. The background of the videos are subtracted by using these methodologies and compared, and after that the performance evaluation. For that evaluation, the processed output is evaluated by qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. In the qualitative analysis, the computational approach and biologically inspired approach both are evaluated, and in the quantitative analysis, the F-score values which are get by the recall and precision values, and it is compared with the ground truth. Now we are going to see a running procedure of our project. If you want to run this project, just right click on the main file and click on the run. If you ask the input file, select a data set and select appropriate video and then open. The video frame get processed and the outputs are shown on the command window. And this is the background subtracted frame in which the moving object is get subtracted from the background. And this graph will shows the ground truth image and the proposed system's correlation results. And this graph shows the various AI-based methodologies results, performance, and a mixture of Gaussian-based models, which gives the high performance as compared to the other background subtraction methodologies.